Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video trying to make this gumball machine shaker charm out of polymer clay and resin. So I'm taking 2-part resin and mixing it into a container. And I'm adding different pigments and Pearl X powders to color the resin, and I decided to make my gumball machine red. And carefully I'm pouring my resin mixture into the mold and letting that cure. And after the resin has fully cured, I'm demolding it. So for the inside of the gumball machine, I decided to add these little clay stars. And I applied resin all around the rim of the little compartment, and I'm spreading it around with a toothpick, making sure I have all the corners. And I'm adding the little clear part of my gumball machine window, and I'm putting a little red piece on top, and I'm allowing that to cure. And the one thing I don't like about these charms sometimes is that the resin, if it gets too sticky, it actually doesn't shake. So next I'm putting some UV resin on the bottom compartment, and I'm applying the little red piece to it along with the little trapezoid. And then I'm also placing the little ring thing, which I think that's where coins go, on top. Now to make the actual gumball, I'm taking some balls of polymer clay and I'm applying little dot eyes and a lined smile and letting that bake according to instructions. And here I have a large assortment of different gumballs. So next I have this clear ornament container that I got from Sophie and Toffee, and I'm taking one part of it and I'm filling it with the gumballs that we made. And I'm applying UV resin all around the rim. And I'm going to stick it over my gumball machine and allow that to cure. And to cover up the little hook part, I just super glued a little pearl star on top of it. And here you have your finished gumball machine shaker charm. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And because there's a lot of space under the dome, the gumballs actually do shake a lot. And you can fill it out with anything. You can make little toy capsules in there or stars or anything you want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.